Look at this consistency. It looks like ice cream. That's the texture that it should be. Like, look at that. Herbs candy. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to Health and Fitness Monday. Yes. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thick, rich, creamy acai smoothie bowl, and I'm going to make this in my handy dandy Vitamix, and it's only 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is frozen mixed berries, frozen bananas, frozen acai packet, and coconut water. And the acai smoothie bowl is similar to the dragon fruit smoothie bowl that I made here before on this channel. The only difference is the dragon fruit smoothie bowl is like a fruity smoothie, and the acai is not so much. But both are superfoods and so powerful and delicious. So if you want to learn how to make a thick, rich, creamy acai smoothie bowl, then stay tuned. Hello beautiful people, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. Açai has great detoxing agents and anti-aging benefits. It helps improve mental and cellular health. Açai boosts energy levels and help aids weight loss. It's rich in antioxidants and helps digestion. Açai lowers cholesterol and helps fight cancerous cells. And so many more great benefits. You guys, look at that consistency. That's how it's supposed to look, like ice cream. So let's put it in a bowl. This thick, rich smoothie bowl is now ready for its toppings. You can eat it just like this with no toppings or a couple of toppings. But if you're anything like me, I like a lot of toppings. So let's get into the toppings that I chose. You guys, look at this. I did that. This is herbs candy, straight from nature. I did that. So look at this, you guys. It is done. I feel like I filled it up too much. I put too much in it. Look, let me taste it. The peanut butter with the banana be bussin'. This is so good, you guys. Yummy in my tummy. So if you guys are new to this channel, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. On Mondays, I come with all the business, health and fitness, because health and fitness is my passion. I lost 60 pounds and I've been keeping it off for a year and a half. So if you like this video on my delicious smoothie bowl recipe, hit that thumbs up button right now, right now, because I'm gonna be coming through with all the good health and fitness, talking about the internal beauty, exuding outwardly. So subscribe, cause guess what? I'm Gonna keep them videos coming. I'ma keep them videos coming. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you are perfectly human. Yeah, perfect gang is no gang. Throw some hearts. Yeah, throw some hearts. Let's connect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.